Welcome inside the clients mode. So this is the platform that your clients, so local business owners, are going to use to improve their online reputation. So in this video, we're going to have a demo of the clients mode, and we're going to see how your clients can use this platform to get more reviews, manage online reviews, share online reviews, and exploit the power of online reviews to attract new business to their local business. And let's start from the first step that your client has to do when they log in for the first time into your branded white label review management platform. The first step for them is the connection of review sites. So they have to integrate the review platforms where they want to get new reviews. And as you can see from this list, we have a lot of integrations and we keep adding new integrations. For example, in this demo account, we have integrated the Google integration, Yelp, and TripAdvisor. So we're doing a demo for this pizzeria, which is using this platform. And they connected their Google business account, their Yelp page, and their TripAdvisor page. And as you can see, they can connect also pages in other review sites. Then, of course, from the text channels, they can see the messaging channels integrated for their plan. In this case, we have email and SMS integrated. And also, they can connect their social media pages for the review sharing feature that we'll see later. So they've connected their Facebook page and their Instagram page. So this is the first step for your clients. So when they log in for the first time, they have to set up integration. So review sites, text channels are already integrated by default, and of course, they have to connect social media pages. So that's the first step. The second step for them is the customization of what we call review link. So they have a unique link they will use to ask for reviews to their end customers, so to the customers who will visit their local business. The review link, it's a simple landing page that they will use to ask for reviews and private feedbacks. And let's see how it works. So it's a simple landing page, and as the first page of this link, we have this filter of experiences. How does it work? So as you can see, there is a simple review request. So a request to rate the experience, and the end customer can click this element and can click from 1 to 5 star. And how does it work? If the end customer click, for example, 2 star, so negative experience, as you can see, is redirected to leave a private feedback. All right, so the end customer will complete this form with the name, email, phone number, and the private feedback, and will send the private feedback to the company, in this case to the pizzeria. And the pizzeria will then see this private feedback in the review section here. For example, this private feedback here. So your clients can privately manage the unhappy client and reply directly to him and start a conversation with the unhappy clients to recover the unhappy client. The best thing is that this private negative feedback is not going to be published on public review platforms such as Google, Yelp, or TripAdvisor, but will stay private inside the company's account. On the other hand, who rate the experience as a positive experience, so for example, in this element, click 5 star, as you can see, is redirected to leave a public review on the Google page of your client, on the TripAdvisor page, Yelp page, or your clients through this custom integration button can add any custom link, and of course can add unlimited custom link to the page that they want. And of course, the end customer just click on Google, for example, and is redirected to the Google business profile of your client to leave a positive review. In fact, if we click here, as you can see, we are redirected to the Google pop-up, all right, where we can leave our positive review directly to the Google business profile of your client. So this is how the review link works. As you can see, everything is editable, so your client can edit any text of this link. For example, if we want to change this title, as you can see, we just need to edit this element here, and instantly the title here will be edited. And another important thing of this link is that at the bottom of the link, there is always powered by your logo, which is clickable and redirects to your domain. And so this is a free advertising for you. So imagine all your clients using this review link in their business. They will do a free promotion to your business, because at the bottom of the review link, there is always your logo clickable that redirects to your domain. All right. So this is super powerful. Because this link helps your clients to get just positive reviews on the integrated platform, and they will protect their reputation from negative reviews, right? So, of course, the initial filter that we've seen can be edited. Instead of stars, we can have thumbs, all right? So thumbs down or thumbs up. Of course, thumbs up redirect to the positive experience page, thumbs down to the private feedback. We can have faces, we can have hearts, and the logo is, of course, editable. If they want, your clients can decide to disable the filters and redirect end customer directly to this page, where they can both ask for public reviews and ask for a private feedback. But of course, the power of this review link is the initial filter that protect your clients from negative reviews. Of course, the goal of your clients is to send this link to all their end customer, so they start getting a lot of reviews every week. How can they send this link to the end customers? Through different ways. Firstly, we have the QR code. Of course, in this section, there is the QR code which is connected to the review link, and your clients can print this QR code and create a kind of graphic that they can add, for example, in the menus if they are a restaurant, in the reception if it's like a dentist, in the rooms if it's an hotel, etc. They have some Canva templates that they can download from here to build their design with the QR code, or they have what we call the kiosk mode. So they simply click here, and they'll have this page that they can expose in their local business, for example, in a tablet at the reception with a QR code that, of course, is connected to the review link. So the end customer will scan the QR code and easily land on the review link page and rate the experience with a positive review or a negative feedback. Then let's see also other ways to send this link to all the end customers. Let's start from the review section. This is the place where your clients will centralize all the private feedbacks, for example, this negative feedback here, and all the public reviews that they receive in the integrated platform. In this case, we have integrated Yelp, Google, and TripAdvisor. And from this page, your clients can monitor all the reviews day by day, and also reply directly to reviews directly from the platform. So without the need to leave the platform, they can manually type the reply here, or just click this button here that will generate the AI reply for them. Later, we'll see another feature of the platform that allow your clients to automatically reply to all the reviews without even the need to access to the platform. In this section, as you can see, there is a quick request button. So this is a quick way for your clients to send a review request to an end customer. So they simply click here. They decide how they want to send the review request, via email or SMS. For example, let's send it via SMS. They click on next. Here they add the contact details of the end customer that they want to send their review request to. So they write their name and their phone number. All right, they can add even multiple rows. They click on next. And here, as you can see, there is the message that they send to the end customer that, of course, can be edited. And, of course, inside the review request message, there is the review link. So when they click on send, instantly the end customer will receive this review request via SMS. We click on the review link and leave the private feedback or the public review. So super easy and quick way to send review requests. Or they can send what we call review request campaigns. So from this section, request, they can send mass review request campaign. How does this section work? Firstly, they have to add their contacts in this section here. So here they will see the list of the contacts already added in the platform. And in order to add a new contact, they simply click here and they can upload their contacts. They can manually add the contact's name, last name, email, and phone number, or simply add a CSV with all these rows, and automatically all the contacts will be imported and added to the platform. So for example, every week, your clients can come to this section and add the new contacts that they collected during the week through a simple upload of a CSV file. Then, they have to create what we call a review request templates. For example, here I've already created a free template, two SMS template, and one email template. For example, this is the quick and direct review request, which is a simple message. Hello, name. Could you take 10 seconds to share your experience with us? Your feedback really helps. And then there is the review link. And of course, the opt-out link that is always mandatory for regulations. But for example, here we have created another template, casual and fun, that can be sent via email. Let's see quickly this template. So your clients create a template setting the sender of the email, the subject, and of course, the text of the email. Hello, name. Got a quick favor. If you loved your experience with us, drop us a 5-star. It takes like 10 seconds. And then, of course, the review link. So it's very easy to create template. So your clients just click here. They choose the name of the template. They choose which messaging channel they want to use for this template, like SMS. And of course, here they can personalize the template and create it. Once it's created, it will appear here. And then, of course, it's time to send campaigns. So here, your clients will be able to see the campaigns that were sent in the past. For example, on the November 4th, we sent this SMS review request campaign for the Easter party. That's an example to free contacts. And we can see the preview of the campaign that we sent. It's very easy to send a new campaign. So we just click on new campaign. We give a name to the campaign. For example, Christmas event campaign. Let me write better. All right. We click on next. We choose which messaging channel we want to use for the campaign. So we want, for example, to send an SMS to all our contacts. We click on next. This is a very important and cool step for your clients because, as you can see here, they can decide if they want to contact all the contacts in their list or just the ones who haven't been contacted yet. This is, of course, what your clients will use most because, of course, they want to send the review request just to the contacts who haven't received yet a review request. So, for example, your clients every week upload the new contacts to the platform, so the new contacts that they collected during the week. And for example, every Friday they send a review campaign to the not contacted list. Of course, the contacts that have already been contacted will not receive the review campaign. We click on next. Here we choose which SMS template we want to use for the campaign. For example, let's use the professional one. We click on next. Here, we can decide if we want to send the campaign right now, so immediately, or we can always schedule it for later. So let's schedule it for this Friday at 2:30 p.m. All right, we click on next. Finally, we have a preview of what we're going to send. So we're going to send this template here on November 7th at 2:40 p.m. to the not contacted list. We click on next. And that's done. So super easy process for your clients. As you can see, the campaign is scheduled for November 7th. And so the clients in the not contacted list will receive on this date the review request. So super powerful feature that allow your clients to get new, fresh reviews every week while they protect their reputation from the negative reviews, thanks to the review link. And then let's see also the other features because we have this shared section, which is super important. As you can see, your clients can create beautiful review posts that they can share on their social media pages. As you can see, we have a post that have been already published, and we have this published badge here. So this post was published on Facebook and Instagram page of your clients, and this is the content that they share. So review card with the text of the review, the name of the reviewer, and the number of star with this caption here. While this post is scheduled for November 6th at 10:20. How can your clients share this beautiful review post on their social media pages? Super easy. From the review section, they can just scroll, and whenever they receive a nice review, for example, this beautiful 5-star review, they just click on share, all right? The platform automatically generates the review post and give a preview here on the right. Your clients decide which type of content they want to do, a post, soon, of course, also stories and reels. They decide where they want to share this post, for example, just on Facebook or both on Facebook and Instagram, but also on Google as a Google update. Here they can personalize the text of the post or regenerate it. Just clicking on this button, the AI will generate the caption. They can choose to share the post right now or to schedule it for later. So we can decide that we want to share this beautiful review post this Saturday at 10:45, and we click on share, and that's done. So the post is scheduled, and of course your clients will see the scheduled post on the shared section. This is super powerful because, of course, if you run a marketing agency, you had this problem that your clients do not know what to post on social media because they don't have ideas, they don't know what to create, they don't know how to take pictures and video. In this way, you make sure that they post great content on their social media pages, because they post social proof, which is the most powerful content they can share, because social proof will help your clients to attract new clients to their local business, because of course in their social media pages they have followers who haven't maybe visited the business yet, or maybe they have people who visited the business and can return to, for example, have a dinner in this pizzeria. And if they see this beautiful reviews shared on the social media pages of your clients, of course, they are more inclined to visit again the business. So this feature will help your clients to increase the retention of their end customer and also get new clients to the local business. And there is another powerful feature that help your clients to attract new clients to their local business thanks to the power of reviews, which is widgets. So this is super powerful because your clients can easily install in their website this social proof widget that will automatically update with the new 4 and 5 star reviews. And your clients simply have to do a copy and paste of this HTML element. And whenever they receive new reviews, these reviews will appear in the widget. We have 3 types of widgets: the carousel, which can be installed in the homepage of your client's website, the grid, which is super nice. It's this grid of positive reviews that your clients can have maybe in a dedicated page of the website. And then also we have the pop-up, which is this element, this card that appears every 5 seconds in your client's websites that, of course, show the best reviews that your clients receive. And as you can see, a cool thing about the widgets is that there is your logo on the bottom of the widgets. So there is always powered by your logo. So as for the review links, also for the widgets, there is free advertising for you and also free backlinks for you. So imagine all your clients install these widgets on their websites. Under the widgets, there is always powered by your business, all right? So the end customers of your clients and also all the website visitors of your clients will see your logo and can click on it and go directly to your website. And this is backlinks for you. So this also will improve the authority of your domain. So this is another super cool feature that will help your clients to increase the conversions of their website because they share the best reviews they receive. And then we have the profile section. Also, this is super cool. Basically, from this section, your clients can manage all the important things related to their Google business profile. Right. So we have, as you can see, 4 cards. So we have business, updates, regular hours, and special hours. Let's start from business. So here your clients can edit the main information of the Google business profile. They can change logos, cover photo, the business name, the description, and change the category, add a phone number, so they make sure that every detail is correct and updated. And of course, they can even add photos that will go directly to the Google business profile. And this is super important because nowadays, for small local business owners that get a lot of traffic in their Google business profile listing, it's super important to have a lot of pictures of the local business, of the menus, of the products, to give trust to the end customers or to the potential customers who are, comparing the Google business profile of your clients with the other competitors in the area. For example, if right now I want to choose a pizzeria in my town, I just go to Google, I search for a pizzeria and I scroll the photos and I want to see good photos. So in this way, your clients, whenever they have good photos of their products, of their services, of their local business, they can simply drag the photos here and they will go directly to Google. They can also post updates. This is super important for SEO. So they can post Google updates directly from here without the need to go to Google. So they can share not only reviews on Google, but also any kind of update. If they have, for example, a new special pizza in the menu, they can do an update from here that goes directly to Google. This is super important for SEO and Google ranking, because when Google build the ranking, they consider how much active is a profile in terms of updates. So you can train your client to do, for example, an update every week directly from the platform. So you make sure that they have a good ranking for this factor, because Google factor Google updates when they build the Google ranking. So these are the most important features. There are also other powerful features, and the best thing that I want to show you is the AI agents that your clients can enable. So just by clicking here, your clients can enable your branded AI agents. So you can give a name to this AI. For example, I call Zeus AI, but from your agency back office, you can change the name of this AI and put, for example, also your brand on it. And your clients can enable the AI auto reply that without lifting a finger will access to the platform and reply to the reviews. And of course, your clients can change the tone of the reply, the length, and the language. And also, this is super cool, the AI auto share. So whenever your clients receive a 5-star review, automatically they share it on their social media pages. So they select the caption tone, the caption length, the frequency, if they want to do this review post every day, every 3 days, or every week, the language of the caption, where they want to share it, for example, in all the 3 pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Google updates, and they save it. So keeping these agents enabled, your clients will automatically reply to reviews and automatically share reviews on their social media pages. Super, super powerful. So these are the main features for your clients. Of course, we're building new features. You can monitor our roadmap from your agency mode. And I want to show you something else super important, because from the settings section, as you can see, your clients can add more locations, right? So if your client is a multi-location business, for example, a big chain with, for example, tens of locations, they can add all the locations from here just by clicking on new location, and then they can use this button here to switch from a location to another and manage all the reviews of all their different locations from a unique platform. And then there is the billing section. This section, of course, is connected to your agency mode account, because in this section your clients will be able to see your pricing plans. For example, this pizzeria that I'm using for this demo is subscribed to your gold plan, which is $299 per month per location. But of course, they can see also all your other plans, for example, the bronze plan and the silver plan. Right now, I showed you an account with the gold plan with all the features activated. But as you will be able to see in the next video, you can create custom plans and decide which features you want to activate, and also which text channels you want to enable, which review sites your clients can integrate or not, and also which social media platform your clients can connect. And this is directly integrated with your agency mode Stripe account. So for example, if right now I'm in the gold plan and I switch to this silver plan that, for example, do not has, as you can see, the profile feature, I will lose this profile feature. So let me show you an example, right? So I just go to the billing portal. This, of course, is directly connected with your Stripe account and is branded with your Stripe details, so you don't have to do nothing manually. You just connect your Stripe from your agency mode. Here, your clients can access to the billing portal that is connected with your Stripe account, so they can see the payment method that they connected to the platform. They can download the invoices that you automatically generate, and they can cancel the subscription with you. But as you can see, they can also update the subscription. So here, they can do 2 different things. Firstly, they can change the plan. For example, I'm in the gold plan, but I don't need the Google Business Profile feature. So I want to switch to the silver plan. So I just click on select, and I click on continue. I confirm that I want to switch to the silver plan. Stripe will show to your clients the new pricing. I click here. Okay, I've updated, as you can see, to the silver plan. I go back to the platform. And as you can see, I lost the Google Business Profile feature because this feature here is not part of the silver plan, all automated. And another things that your clients can do is edit the quantity of the subscription to add more location. Because if right now I want to add a new location, I get this message, maximum location reach. Why? Because your pricing is a price per location. So if I want to add a new location, I have to pay you more. So I have to buy a new location. So I go to billing. All right, I go to the billing portal. I click on update subscription. Let me increase the quantity. All right, I increase the quantity to 2. All right, so I will update my subscription plan from $199 per month to 398 because it's 199 per month per location. So I click on continue. All right, I confirm the new pricing. All right, you see that the subscription quantity and amount got updated. I return. All right, now I go to location. I click on new location, and as you can see, I'm able to add my second location. All right, so I was able to add a second location, and then of course, from this menu here, I can switch from the previously added location to the second one. And of course, I can start again to do the integrations for the new location and can start to use the platform for this second location. And of course, your clients, whenever they want, they can switch from a location to another from this menu here. You can see that if I go back to location and I try to add a third location, I got the same message because I bought two location. So this is all automated. You just have to connect Stripe in your agency mode, and your clients will simply subscribe to one of your pricing plan, pay you a monthly subscription for the features that they bought, and if they want more location, they simply increase autonomously the quantity of their subscription and add all their location to the platform. So this is how the client mode works. Of course, super only one platform that your clients can use to collect more reviews thanks to the power of review link, right? Which redirect unhappy clients to give private feedbacks, which stay private inside the platform, and happy clients to leave public reviews on the integrated platform. Your clients can centralize all the reviews, reply to all the reviews also via the AI agent, send review requests via quick requests or via mass campaign, via email, SMS, or WhatsApp. They can easily share reviews on their social media pages, also through the AI agents, which automatically share the best reviews. They can share reviews on website through these review widgets. And of course, they can also manage the Google Business Profile directly from the platform, as we've seen later. So that's the business mode. And of course, this is what you are going to offer to your clients, which will pay you a monthly subscription to use this platform. And of course, it's all under your brand. So as we'll see in a minute, you'll be able to customize everything: the logos, the colors, the domain, the font, the menu position. It's all under your brand. Our brand is completely invisible. The last thing to mention about the clients mode is something super useful for you when it comes to selling this platform to non-tech savvy small local business owner. It's the fact that the clients mode is mobile friendly, and your clients, which are not tech savvy and do not have a lot of experience in the software side, and maybe do not like to open the computer to use this platform, they can do literally everything from the mobile phone because the platform is super intuitive also from the mobile. So as you can see, there is this bottom bar menu with the review section where they can easily send quick requests to their contacts. You see buttons are big, so they find it very easily to navigate. They can add easily new contacts from here. They can create templates and send campaign super easily. Here they monitor all the posts shared on their social media pages. Here they can check their widgets. This is the Google Business Profile section where, for example, they can easily update the business hour of their Google Business Profile, save it, and see the updates directly on Google. They can also add the special hours, so the access to the AI agents, so they can easily enable or disable the AI agents and change the settings from here. This is the setting page where they can do everything. So the access to the review link, and they can customize everything. QR code, they can set up integration and social media channels and text channels directly from their phone, and they can check their billing status. They can add location directly from here. So all the things that they do from the desktop can be done from the mobile phone, and from here they can switch from a location to another. So super easy and intuitive experience for your clients, and this is something that differentiate a lot Climbo from all the competition. And we know that a lot of time small local business owners are not very tech savvy, and they need something super intuitive and easy to use. And with your white label review management platform, you make sure that they have something super easy, because this platform is mobile friendly, and your clients will enjoy using it as a simple game. Welcome now inside your agency mode. So this is your back office. So this is the platform that you will use to manage your review management SaaS business. Let's start from the brand section, because this is the first step for you. This is where you will white label the platform under your brand to make sure that our brand is completely invisible, so that your clients will perceive it as your own platform and will not have any doubt, and will pay you a monthly subscription, thinking that you are the builder of this platform. All right, so you just need to go to the brand section, and here we have 3 different sections: software, domain, and SMTP. From the software section, you can edit all the design of the platform. Here in the right, you have a preview of how the platform change when you do some edits. And here on the left, we can make the edits. As you can see, we can edit the favicon that will appear here next to your brand name that can be edited from here. This is the name that will be also included in your welcome emails and password reset emails that will be sent to your clients. And you can edit the logo from here. So the logo will appear here in the top left of the menu, and also in the login section here in the top left. You can add the Power by logos that will appear under your client's widgets, and also, of course, review links. So, of course, this is the clickable logo that will redirect who visit this link to your website. And you can customize the redirect website from here. And then, of course, we can edit the color of the platform. So we choose the main color. For example, let's switch from purple to green. And you see that the color of the platform change, and also consequentially all the button colors, card colors, and secondary colors, they all depends on this color that you choose here. You can change the font. All right, so let's change from Inter to Outfit. You see that the platform's font change. We can change the menu position from the left to the top. So you can choose if you want to have a top bar as this one, or a left bar. I personally prefer the left bar, but you can change it. Then you can change the radius of buttons and cards. Now we have a 0 radius, and as you can see, everything is square. But we can have like radius of 20, and you see all the buttons become more rounded. And then we can copy and paste some custom code. So here we can add, for example, the script of a web chat that can appear here. For example, you can have a widget of a customer support web chat. You just copy and paste their script here, and the widget will appear here, so your clients can easily contact you for customer support. Or you can add any tracking code, any pixel analytics, whatever. You just copy and paste it here. So this is how the platform appear under your brand. Of course, you save it, and in a few minutes, all the edits will be visible on your client's platform. By clicking here, you can have a preview of your platform in a new tab, and you can also embed it. So by clicking here, you get the embed code that you can copy and paste on your website. So your prospects that visit your website and are interested in trying your platform can have a trial of the platform without even signing up. So they can do this live trial directly from your embedded platform in your website. So they can explore the features as I'm doing right now directly in your website. So you just need to get this code and embed it in your website, and you'll have this same element with, of course, your logo and your colors and your font embedded into your website. Then, of course, it's time to customize the domain. So you have to add a simple CNAME under your domain. And if you do not know how to do it, you can quickly watch our Academy videos. There are tutorials about how to add a CNAME. Or you can just search on Google how to add a CNAME for your specific hosting platform like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, etc. And then, of course, you have to add also the SMTP connection. So you have to connect your branded email to make sure that all the platform emails that we send to your clients, like, for example, the welcome email and the password reset emails, are sent from your branded email. So it's fully white labeled. Also, in this case, if you do not know how to connect SMTP, you can just read our guides or search on Google or ChatGPT. For example, if you have Outlook as an email provider, you simply search how to connect SMTP for Outlook. You search it on Google or ChatGPT and you get your answer. So this is the first step. So you customize the platform. When the platform is under your brand, you can start selling it. All right. So the first step is the pricing plans. So you have to create your pricing plans. As you can see, we have two different types of plans: standard plans and Stripe plans. All right. Standard plans are the plans that you can create without a Stripe integration that works as the Stripe plans, but do not have the automated features for your clients, such as the automated plan update and the automated switch from a trialing status to active status. So standard plans requires more manual work from your side. And of course, if you connect Stripe, you get access to all the automations powered by our direct integration with Stripe. So let me show you how you can create your pricing plans with the Stripe. As you can see here in this account, I have 4 plans, right? The bronze plan, silver, gold, and enterprise. For each plan, you can see here their plan details, and you can easily also click on it to edit this plan details. For each plan, we choose a name, a color that is just for us to identify the plan in the plan section. And here, by simply clicking on these beautiful icons, we decide which features, review sites, channels, and social media we want to enable or disable for the specific plan. For example, for the bronze plan, we have the reviews feature, the mass campaign request feature enabled, and we have disabled the social sharing, the widgets, and the Google Business Profile feature. For review sites, we have Google enabled, and we have disabled all the other review sites. For example, if we want to enable Trustpilot, we simply click on it, and now in the bronze plan, we have Trustpilot enabled, and instantly your clients subscribe to this bronze plan will be able to connect Trustpilot. These are the text channels for review requests: mail, SMS, and also WhatsApp. You can choose which ones you want to enable or disable. Social media, Facebook, Instagram, and we're building also right now the integration with TikTok, which is coming soon. Also, of course, for each plan, you decide if you want to enable or disable your AI. Of course, if it's enabled, your clients get access to the auto reply with AI feature and auto share with AI feature. You set up a limit of monthly SMS, emails, and soon also, of course, WhatsApp messages that your clients can send. For example, in this plan, your clients can send maximum 100 SMS review requests and 1,000 email review requests every month. So you choose the limit. Of course, you set up the price per location. In this case, for example, $99 per month. And of course, if your clients want to connect more locations, they have to pay you more. You enable or disable a free trial of, for example, 7 days with or without a payment method required. And you can choose if you want to show this plan in your client's customer portal to allow anyone to upgrade or downgrade to this plan. If we disable the plan from the customer portal, the clients who are not subscribed to this plan will not see the possibility to switch to this plan in their customer portal. So if this is disabled, we can invite clients to this plan just privately, and I'll show you in a minute how. So this is how you create or edit a plan. Of course, you can create as many plans as you want. And when a plan is created, you see here that we generate the plan's payment link. All right. For example, we have created a bronze plan with a 7 days free trial with the no payment method required. Clicking here, we access to the bronze plan payment link. You can see it's a Stripe payment link directly connected to your Stripe account. Of course, there is your name here. And we see here, try bronze plan, 7 days free, then $99 per month. And it's a plan with a 7 days free trial with no payment method required. So your client just need to insert their email here. And as soon as they click on start trial, they are automatically logged in to your platform. And so they can try the platform for free for 7 days. And then they can decide if they want to upgrade or not. Let me show you an example. All right, I click on start trial. As you can see, I'm automatically onboarded into your platform. I have to set up a password that I will use it for future logins. Save. I add my first location, for example, my coffee shop. I confirm. And as you can see, I'm autonomously onboarded into your platform under the bronze plan. In fact, if I go to settings, billing, I see that my plan, my active plan is the bronze one, and I can start to use the platform. So I can start firstly to connect Google and the other integration. I can start to customize my review link, and I can start to get reviews, and then I will be able to manage the reviews from here. Of course, this client that just sign up is in the free trial. So as you can see, if we go to the client section, we have this new client onboarded. So my coffee shop with the bronze plan and the trialing status. Of course, your clients will try the platform for 7 days. And if they do not add a payment method during these 7 days, automatically after 7 days, their status will become unpaid and the platform will be deactivated for them. And when they connect a payment method, automatically the platform will be reactivated so they can keep using it month by month and pay you $99 every month. In fact, if I go back to the client and I go to the billing section and I open the billing portal, I see from the billing portal that I'm on a free trial. The trial ends on November 11. And of course, if I want to use the platform after the free trial, I have to add a payment method. It's very easy to add a payment method. We just click here. And of course, your clients here can add a payment method. So when the free trial finish, they will be automatically charged $99 per month. And this is all automated for you. So you don't need to do anything manually. Your clients will try the platform for free after 7 days. Automatically, the platform will be deactivated for them if they do not add a payment method. So they will see a simple pop-up saying, please add a payment method to keep using the platform. They autonomously add a payment method and they subscribe to your $99 per month plan. Of course, if a client subscribe to your plan, you will see from here that they connected a credit card and that their status is active. If they do not connect a credit card during the free trial, their status, of course, will be inactive, and you can do a few things. So you can contact them and maybe invite them for a demo meeting where you can show them the features that maybe they did not try during the free trial, so you can stimulate them to subscribe to your paid plan. So here in the client section, you'll have an overview of all your clients subscription. You can monitor who has an active subscription, who is in the trialing mode, who is unpaid, meaning that they tried the platform but they did not subscribe. And the best thing is that it's everything automated. So if your clients want to change their plan, they can do it autonomously from their billing portal. If they want to change the payment method, they can do it. If they want to add a new location, they can increase the quantity of their subscription. For example, this client here, as you can see, has two locations connected, so it's paying $199 per month multiplied by two, so $399 per month. So you can monitor everything from here. You can even access to each client's customer portal just by clicking here, and clicking on view client, or in this right arrow here, you can impersonate your client, so you access to their account and you can see what they are doing. This is useful, for example, for customer support, or if you want to set up the platform for your clients before they log in, you can simply access to their account and act as it's your account, so you can do anything for them. All right, so this is how you create plans and how you onboard clients. As you can see, the bronze plan that we've created has a 7 days free trial with no payment method required. For example, this gold plan has a 7 days free trial with payment method required. I want to show you the payment link. As you can see, the payment link of the gold plan is different because it requires a payment method to start the free trial. So let me show you an example of a client signing up for a free trial of a plan with the payment method required. We add the Stripe test payment method, all right, and we start the trial. Of course, we add the name of our first location. And we are inside the platform. And if we go to settings, billing, we see that we are subscribed to the gold plan. And if we open the billing portal, we see that we are on the free trial of the gold plan and our payment method is already added. So automatically at the end of the free trial, this payment method will be charged $299 per month. So this is another way you can onboard clients. So with the free trial with payment method enabled. In fact, you can see this client here is in the trialing status, but comparing to the previous one, has a credit card connected. Another thing that you can do, you can create plans with the no free trial. For example, this is an enterprise plan that we created with all the features enabled, higher limits on emails and SMS review requests. And the price is $499 per month per location with no free trial. Let's open the payment link. All right, you see that here we do not have a free trial, so it's requested to pay immediately $499 to access to this plan. Let me show you an example. All right, let's click on pay and subscribe. Let's give a name to the first location. All right, and if we go to the billing section of this new client, we can see that we are subscribed to this enterprise plan that we just see because we receive privately this payment link, because this enterprise plan, as you can see from here, is disabled from the billing portal of all the other clients. So no one can switch to this plan. So just a customer who received this payment link privately can sign up for this plan. And as you can see, if I open the billing portal of this enterprise client, I'm already in an active subscription. This is the payment method connected. This is what I'm paying. And this is my invoice, because there was not a free trial for this plan. And I paid $499 to subscribe. And if I click here, as your client, I can download the invoices generated automatically by your Stripe account. So I can autonomously download the invoice. And of course, in the invoice, as you can see from here, there is your brand, right? Let me quickly show you the invoice. All right. So this will be your Stripe account that you can, of course, customize from your Stripe onboarding. So the invoice will be branded, of course, with your company details. And so automatically Stripe will generate the invoice for you, and your clients can download their invoices directly from their billing portal without asking the invoice to you. And of course, this client here that sign up for the enterprise plan has an active subscription because they did not sign up for a free trial. The enterprise plan didn't have the free trial enabled. So they paid you, and so they are in an active subscription. So this is where you monitor all your clients' subscription. Of course, when you receive payments, you will be able to monitor all your payments from here. So for example, this is the $499 payment that we just received from the enterprise client. We can click on the specific payment and see the details of the payments, and also with a simple click, refund the customer totally or partially. And we can see the details of which payment method was used, the country where your client paid from. We can see the fees paid to Stripe. So all the details are here. And of course, in the payment section, you'll be able to see also unsuccessful payments. If, for example, your clients have insufficient funds in the credit card, Stripe will try the payment. And if it's unsuccessful, you will see it from here. But Stripe will autonomously retry the payment for a few times. But this is good for you to monitor the status of all the payments that you receive from your clients. And then we have the chart section. Also, this is very important for you because here you will see, for example, the last 7 days sales data. You have two type of charts. You have the gross volume, and for every day you can see the revenues, and the net volume, which is the revenues minus the fees paid to Stripe minus the refunds, if you did some refunds. And this is what it will be automatically paid to the bank account that you connect to your Stripe account. So when you connect Climbo to Stripe, it's required to connect a bank account or a debit card for payouts, and automatically, without lifting a finger, every week, your net volume, which is your gross volume minus fees and refunds, will be paid out to your bank account. And you can monitor the payouts from the settings. So here you can see in the payout section, you can monitor the net balance in your Stripe account, and you can monitor the next payouts. For example, on November 10, we have 491 euros coming to our bank account, and here we will have the list of all the previously processed payouts, so we can simply click on it and monitor payouts. Here we can choose which payment methods we want to enable or disable on our payment links. So of course, this is all managed by Stripe, so you can decide if you want to activate cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Link, whatever. And then we have other secondary section. I want to show you firstly the AI agent section. This is simply where you can give a name to your AI. So when your clients use the AI feature, we'll see your branded AI name. This is cool. So you can give a name to your AI. So it's more fun for your clients. We have also an API section, which is super powerful. So I suggest you to check our API documentation. So simply going to cleanbot.readme.io, you can see all our APIs. And we have a lot of APIs both for the agency mode, like the possibility to add clients automatically via API, get clients data, get plans data. But we have also APIs for the clients mode, like the possibility to automate review requests or to get business data or location data, like, for example, review size data, and see some metrics, like, for example, the review count and the average rating for each integration. So if you are a developer, or if you know how to use no-code tools like Zapier, Anyten, Publi, Make.com, you can use our APIs to automate everything. And of course, in our academy, you'll find more advanced videos and longer videos on how to create workflows via our APIs. We have also videos on how to use no-code tools like Zapier to, for example, automatically send review requests for your clients. You can do some automations, like, for example, your clients have a particular CRM that is present on Zapier, and they want to automate the fact that whenever a contact is added in a particular section of the CRM, automatically we get the contact details like the phone number, and we send a review request via Climbo API to that phone number. Of course, for your clients, the APIs are unbranded, so they will not see the Climbo URL, but they will see a generic URL. And finally, there is this SMS and email section where you can monitor your balance. So you can monitor how many SMS and emails you have left and how many of them you can offer to your clients. And you can check the limits from here and the aggregated usage. And of course, if you need more SMS and the emails to distribute to your clients, you can simply add funds to your balance and make sure there is always enough SMS and emails that you can distribute every month to your clients. SMS are sold at their cost, so depending on the country to which your clients send SMS. So for US, one SMS costs 1 cent. For UK and Australia, one SMS costs 5 cents. And for the rest of the world, one SMS costs 10 cents. And the emails are free and unlimited, so you're not going to pay anything for emails. And we are soon adding also WhatsApp, which will be cheaper than SMS. Of course, as I said before, you can use Climbo even without Stripe. So if you do not want to use Stripe, if Stripe is not live in your country yet, or if you prefer to use another payment methods instead of Stripe, you can create standard plans and get what we call standard clients. So let me show you how this thing works. So you simply create a standard plan. The interface is very similar to Stripe plans. The only difference is that for standard plans, we do not have the free trial feature. So let me create our first standard plan. Let me call it standard plan. Of course, we choose the feature that we want to activate: review sites, text channels, social media, AI. We choose a limit of locations. This is different from Stripe plans because in Stripe plans, your clients are charged every time they want to add a new location, and this happens automatically. With standard plan, you set up a limit. So if a client is under this standard plan, they will be able to add the maximum 1 location. And if they want to add more, they have to contact you, and you have to switch them to another standard plan. We set up limits and the price per location. This is for you just for monitoring. So for example, let me create a standard plan of $50 per month per location. Let me create it. All right. The difference with Stripe plans is that for standard plans, we do not have payment links, but we have what we call a sign-up link. Let me show you how a sign-up link works. So for example, this is the sign-up link for the standard plan. So this is, for example, what you have to send to your clients or publish in your website as a sign-up link. So your clients simply sign up from this link, and they are autonomously onboarded into the platform. Let me show you an example. All right, I sign up right now with this email and password to this standard plan. I add my first location. And of course, I'm onboarded into the standard plan. As you can see, for standard clients, we do not have a billing section because we do not have a direct integration with Stripe. But if your clients want to change the plan, you have to do it manually. Let me show you how it works. As you can see in our standard client section, we have our new standard plan client. And we have these 2 buttons here that we do not have for Stripe clients because these things in Stripe happens automatically. So we have a button to change the plan. So I can change the plan of this client from the standard to the other standard plans that we created. For example, here we have 2 different plans. So I can manually change their plan. And I can also manually change their status. So this client is in active status, so they can use the platform. And I can change their status, for example, to post. All right. For example, if I change the status to post, all right, and I see post here, and I access to the client's account, I see that I have this message to update the subscription. So I cannot use the platform because I'm in post status. So your clients have to contact you to unpost the account. So you can manually play with this standard client section to manage your standard clients. So standard clients can get access to the platform via the sign up link that we've just seen, but you can also manually invite them. So you just click here on the plus button, and as you can see, you can manually invite a client to join one of your standard plan. You just type the email and you select which standard plan you want to add them to, and you click on create. And they receive a welcome email with a magic link to autonomously log in to the plan. They set up their password, and then they can start using the platform. And of course, you can see all your standard clients from here. So of course, it's up to you. You can use Stripe if you want to automate everything and let your clients autonomously sign up and log in, autonomously add payment methods, switch plan, update their payment method. So everything is managed autonomously. So you just have to monitor your client subscription and your payments and your revenues through the platform, and also payouts happens autonomously without the need for you to lift a finger. So of course, with the Stripe integration, you treat this review management business as a real SaaS business. But of course, if you do not want to use Stripe, you still have the possibility to sell the platform. Of course, you have to do more manual work. So without Stripe, you simply have to create standard plans, get the sign up links and send them to your clients, or add them manually from this section here. Of course, we suggest to use Stripe plans. We suggest to create at least 3 plans like bronze, silver, and gold. You get the payment link of each plan, and you create in your website a pricing section where you present your free plans. And under each plan, you put a button like start free trial or whatever you want. And on that button, you just copy and paste the payment links, and then the rest is automated. Of course, in the next videos that you'll find, there are also videos about how to create your website for your SaaS business, starting from our pre-built template, which are super cool and lets you create the website in literally a few hours without any design skill. But that's the simple process. So first step, you customize the platform with your brand. So you make sure that your clients will perceive it as your own platform. Then you create your plans, at least 3 plans, and you get your payment links and you copy and paste them in your website. And then you run traffic to your website. Local business owners will sign up for a free trial. Will try the platform for free. And of course, if they like it, if they get results during the free trial, they will subscribe to your paid plan, and they will pay you a monthly subscription, and automatically the money will flow into your Stripe account connected to Cleanbot. And every week you will have payouts directly to your bank account. We suggest to watch all the videos in our academy related to how to sell the platform, because there are a lot of strategies that successful climbers use to get amazing results with this platform. But that's all for the extended video tutorial of the agency mode, which is the back office of your SaaS business. Thanks to this video, you learn the best strategy to sell this review management platform in your area to small local businesses. So we built a prospecting tool that will help you to do exactly that. So in this video, we're going to show you how this tool works and how you can use it to sell the platform to all the local businesses in your area. We start from the search section. All right. So here we are going to decide which businesses we want to target. So we have 2 options to search the businesses: a direct business search, where basically we just type the name of the business, and we're going to have the Google autocomplete feature that will find the business for us. For example, you see, just by typing, we will get the business that we want to target. We just have to click on it. And here we have the button claim target to target this business here. Or we have another option to search businesses, which is through search parameters. So basically, we just select the category. For example, let's say we want to search for restaurants, the city, for example, Venice, and the country, so Italy, all right? And we just click on search. And this tool is going to search for us for all the restaurants in Venice, Italy. So we're going to have, in a few seconds, the complete list of restaurants in Venice, and we can choose which of these restaurants we want to target. We have pages of 20 results. So basically here we have from the first one to the one number 10, and then we can go to the next page. And here we have all the restaurants in Venice. So we just have to scroll this list and claim the businesses that we wanted to target. For example, let's say we want to target this restaurant with the 4-star rating and 756 reviews, Queen Restaurant. So we just click on claim target, and we have target claim. This business is now exclusively yours. All right. And let's say we want also to target this business here, Trattoria Il Vagone, with the 4-star rating, and we click on claim target. Basically, when we click on claim target, no one else can claim this target that we decided to target. So this business is going to be exclusive yours, and you can see all your targets here in the target section. You can see you can target up to 500 businesses, and these are all the businesses that are exclusively yours. So no one else can target these businesses. So what is going to happen when you add a business into your target list? Basically, it's going to appear here in this list where you have all your targets. And for each target, you can do some very cool stuff. So you see that we have 5 buttons here. The first button is generate report. So basically, with just a click, we can generate a super useful reputation report for the selected target. For example, for this business, Ristorante Rosa Rossa, we've already generated the report. So I'm going to show you how the report works. It's a report based on the reviews. So with just a click, we're going to download all the reviews, and AI is going to analyze all their reviews and generate this beautiful reputation report that has a unique goal. The goal of this report is to show to your target that they have a problem related to their reputation on Google, a problem that is visible online because anyone can read their reviews. And so when you present this report to your target, they will understand that they have a reputation problem, and they want to talk with you for this reason, because you're going to be the provider of the solution to this reputation problem. And of course, the solution is your platform. And let's see quickly how the report works. Basically, it's a reputation analysis. Here there will be your agency name that you can customize from the settings. And here we have some data related to this restaurant. So the total number of reviews, the average rating, and the ranking position on Google for the in restaurant category in the selected city, in this case, Venice. Firstly, we have a summary that summarize the main things related to the reputation of this business. For example, here we have Ristorante Rosa Rossa has a solid rating of 4.3 stars from 2,486 reviews. However, it faced significant challenges in terms of customer satisfaction. Many reviews highlight issues with food quality, portion sizes, and customer service, leading to numerous 1-star ratings. To improve its Google Maps ranking, the restaurant must focus on enhancing the dining experience and increasing the volume of positive reviews. Then we start with a list of problems that the AI found just by reading the reviews. Customers frequently mention poor food quality, including improperly cooked seafood and unappetizing meals. Portion sizes are consistently criticized as being too small for the prices charged, and so on. So here we list the main 5 critical issues that we found just by reading their reviews. And then we go deep into the problem. So we report to the business owner the worst 3 reviews that they received, so they can literally read the bad words of their clients. So they understand that they really have a reputation problem that they need to address as soon as possible. For example, here we have 3 bad 1-star reviews. We report the text of the reviews and the impact analysis. For example, in this case, this review highlights the discrepancy between customer expectation and the reality of their dining experience, particularly regarding seating arrangements and ambience. All right, here we have the reviewer expresses extreme dissatisfaction with the food quality, indicating that it failed to meet basic culinary standards. And then finally, in the report, we have the recommendation generated by AI. These are super useful call to action for the business owner. So the business owner understands that he needs to take actions to resolve these issues. And in this report, you indicate to the business owner what they have to do. For example, implement a comprehensive training program program for staff to improve customer service and address complaints more effectively. For example, also revise the menu to ensure food quality is consistently high and that portion size match customer expectation. Encourage satisfied customer to leave positive reviews for follow-up emails or incentives. Enhance the dining atmosphere to align with customer expectation, possibly by re-evaluating seating arrangements and decor. Engage with customers' feedback actively, addressing concerns publicly to show commitment to improvement. And then we have a next steps. Conduct a detailed review of the kitchen operation to identify and rectify issues with food preparation and quality. Analyze customer feedback in real time to address concern promptly and adjust operations as needed. Develop a marketing strategy to attract new customers, including promotion for first-time visitors. And then finally, the call to action that will redirect to your website, where basically you invite your prospect to try your platform that will help them to get tens of positive reviews per week and reply automatically to reviews, analyze constantly reviews, and many other features. Of course, the goal of the report is to start the conversation with the business owner so they understand that they have a problem related to reputation and they need to act. They need to resolve this problem because this problem is causing the fact that they are leaving money on the table because their Google reputation is affected by this problem, and they are getting less visits to the Google business profile because of this problem, and less visits means less clients walking inside their local business. So they're leaving money on the table. They have to resolve this problem, and you're there to help them through your review management platform. All right. So this report is going to be automatically generated for each of your targets whenever you click on the generate report button. And once you generate it, it's going to be always here to download. You can do anything with this report. You can print it and walk inside the local business for a cold door-to-door approach. In this case, we provide you with the sales script. So just by clicking on this button here, AI is going to generate for you the sales script, which is super, super powerful. It's a script based on the reviews, so it's not the same script for every target. And thanks to this script, you can study what to say to the business owner and how to reply depending on the different objections that your prospect have during the conversation. So with just a click of a button, you generate this sales script that, of course, has the goal to start the conversation with the business owner, show them the report, show them the issues that you found analyzing the reputation, and present your platform as the solution. Of course, during the first conversation, you do not talk directly with the business owner, but the goal of the first meeting, so the goal also of this sales script is to schedule a more long meeting with them, a 30 minutes meeting where you can present your platform, where you can have a demo of your review management platform, and where you can invite them for a free trial. So super, super powerful. With just a click, you generate the sales script, and then it's always saved. Another thing that you can do here, you can do cold email. So with just a click of a button, find email, we're going to search automatically for the email of the business. So basically a script is going to be launched, and without lifting a finger, you will have the email of the target here, and you can send a cold email with the report attached. You just click on generate email. AI is going to generate the email for you, and here you see that we have the beautiful cold email generator with the report attached. Of course, the email is going to be sent to the email of your prospect, and with a click of a button, we can contact them. We can contact them with a beautiful cold email and with the reputation report attached, so you can start the first conversation via email. And of course, here you have another button marked as one for you to mark the target as one whenever they subscribe to your platform. And then from the territory zone, you can have an overview of your targets. Of course, the green targets are the ones who bought your review management platform and are paying you monthly. The others in red are the ones that you have to target. For example, here we have 7 businesses in red that we have to target, and the platform suggests to start from Posta Vece, which is a restaurant with 4.4 star rating. And we have these quick buttons to generate the report, study the sales script, and get the Google Maps direction to the restaurant. So easily we can print the report, study the sales script while we go there and pitch our platform inside the local business. So this is how territory search and targets work. We have another section called leads. What can we do here? Very, very simple. Basically, we can embed into our website this beautiful widget where our visitors can get their report. So get the report, the reputation report of their local business directly via email. So you can embed this beautiful form here through this embed code. So you just need to copy it and paste it as an HTML element into your website. And this widget is going to appear in your website where your visitors can firstly search for their business here. For example, we search for our local business, and we find it here through the Google autocomplete function. Then, of course, we leave our email and our phone number, and we click on Receive Report. So when your prospects do this thing from your website, basically they're going to receive in their email and in their phone number communication with the report. So what are they going to receive? They're going to receive this campaign here. So they're going to receive this email from you and this SMS. And of course, you can customize the communication that you send to the lead that just filled this form into your website. So basically, the email is very simple. Subject is your reputation report, and this is the email body. Hey, variable business name. We just finished analyze your online reputation, and wow, we found some really interesting insights from your, for example, 260 reviews. Your detailed report is attached, and trust me, you'll want to check it out. We spotted some quick wins that could really boost your reputation. Let's fix your reputation. This is, of course, your website. Cheers, your agency name. And of course, in the body of the email, you can insert these variables. And of course, the report is always attached to the email. So they can just download the report and they will open it in their computer or in their phone. You can send them also an SMS because through the widget, they give their email and also their phone number. So automatically, whenever they fill that form, they receive not only an email, but also an SMS. You can customize the text. For example, here we have, hey, we've just sent you the report via email. Want to fix your reputation? Check your website. Regards, your agency name. And of course, here in the leads section, you're going to see automatically all the people that complete the form into in the widget. All right, so you can copy and paste this embed code into your website and run, for example, ads to local business owners that will complete this form and receive in their email the report. And then, of course, they can visit your landing page and maybe sign up for a free trial of your software. And of course, here automatically all the leads will appear. You have their email and their phone number, so you can also contact them or send any other communication. You also have a webhook. So whenever we have a new lead, automatically we're going to send the details of the lead, of course, also with the email and the phone number to a custom URL that you can set up here. So you can build even advanced automations. All right, so this is the power of the prospecting tool. So you can use it in different ways. You can search for your targets, as we saw, for example, restaurants in Venice, and for each of them, you can generate the report, and then you learn the sales script, and you go there door to door with the report, and you pitch your platform, and you invite them for a demo meeting. Or you can send a cold email directly from the platform just with a few clicks and start the conversation with them via email. Or you can do this other advanced strategy. So you can create a landing page, you add this widget, and you run ads to this landing page, and you collect leads, and automatically you send this email and SMS campaign. So they read the report, and then they check out your website and start a free trial of your platform. So this prospecting feature is super powerful. You have some free reports that you can generate. Then we ask you to fill this section with the keys needed to create the report. So of course, you have all the guides on how to get this API kits for SERP API, which is the tool that we use to scrape the Google business profiles from Google Maps. We have the OpenAI API key that is useful to generate the reports, generate the cold email, generate the sales script. And also we have the Any Mail Finder API key that it's useful to find the emails of the targets. So basically through that API key, just by clicking here, we're going to find the email of this target here, and then you can send them the cold email. Of course, from this section here, you can set up the connection to your email provider and to your SMS provider. So you're going to send emails and SMS from your emails and from your phone numbers. And also here we have a branding section where you can customize your agency name that is going to appear in the email signatures and also in the report. You can customize the call to action link, that is the link at the end of the report, and also the link that you redirect your target when they read your emails and SMS. And of course, the report language. You can generate the report in English, but also in other languages, and we keep adding more languages. So this is how the prospecting feature works. The best thing about this prospecting feature is that the targets that you add to your account are exclusively yours. So the other agencies using this platform cannot secure the same target as you. You can secure up to 500 targets, and no one can target the businesses that you want to target. So you can start selling the platform in your area with peace of mind that no one is targeting the same businesses. That's it. So start searching for your first targets. Of course, we suggest to start with a vertical. You do not want to target businesses in different categories. I suggest to focus on a specific category, for example, all the dentists in your city. So you get experience with this category, and you can also bring some social proof when you target the same type of businesses. For example, if you start closing the dentists in your area, whenever you go to a new dentist, you can show them the results that you brought to the other dentist in your area. So they trust you more because they see that you're helping specifically dentists to get more reviews and improve their online reputation in your area. So start by choosing your category, add your first targets, and then start to generate reports, visit the businesses, and sell the platform. Of course, our goal with Climbo is to provide you with everything you need to run your review management SaaS business, starting from the website, because of course your website is a big part of the success of your review management software business. So we've built and we keep building new templates that you can use for your website. So in the home section of your agency mode, you'll find some templates in this template section here. By clicking on the preview link, you can see a preview of how the template look like. And clicking here, you can access to our templates in Figma, and you can start to edit them and publish them under your website. Let me quickly show you how it works. So you open our templates in Figma. As you can see, we have 2 templates for now, but we keep adding new templates. You will see a lot of new templates in the coming weeks. So you can choose the template that you like most. For example, this one, and from this template you can edit anything. So you can edit the logos, the colors, the text, the images. Of course, it's good if you get these images from your platform, of course, with your branded color. And of course, you have here your pricing table where you have just to copy and paste the payment links of your pricing plan that you can generate from the plans section of your agency model. So you simply start from this template, you create the images. You can use tools to create this kind of screenshots, like for example shots.so. It's a free tool. You can access it from shots.so, where you simply take a screenshot of your platform, you drag it here, and it's generate a beautiful screenshot that you can use for your website. Let me show you an example of our website generate with our Figma template. So this is one of our clients who generated this beautiful website with our Figma template. They embedded also the client's mode, of course, under their brand through the embed code. And this is a website generated starting from our Figma template, editing, of course, the text and the images using shots.so. And so you can have the same website, very, very clean and well designed under your brand. And of course, this is the pricing section with the links to sign up for your plans. So you can create, of course, the same thing for your SaaS business. You copy your payment links and you paste them here. So you redirect prospects to your website, you run traffic to this website, and local business owners will autonomously sign up for your plans, try the platform, and pay you the monthly subscription. So you find all these templates in the home section of your agency mode. simply go into the templates section. You also have another section called images that redirects you to our Canva templates. So you have a list of unbranded content that you can use not only for your website, but also for advertising, flyers, sales presentation, whatever. So you just access with your Canva account. You can edit the text of these templates, simply double clicking on it, and then you can download the content. And as you can see, we have tens and tens of different contents that you can use for your marketing. For example, you can have this thing on a sales presentation that you use for demo meetings, and also you can use this content to present some features of your platforms, like for example the integrations with the review sites, the SMS review requests, for example the QR code to leave a review in local, the automated AI reply, the widgets for the website. So you can use all these images for your marketing, and you can just brand them with your colors, customize the text, so you can do everything from Canva. All right. You also have the compliance templates for privacy policy, terms and condition, cookie policy, data protection agreement. So you simply get the document. It's a Google Doc file. You edit it with your brand name and your email, and that's it. You can publish it in the footer section of your website, so your clients can get access to your privacy policy and terms and condition. And you also have a help section that will help you firstly to get support with us. So if you have any kind of question to ask to our team, you can simply fill this form and get a reply usually within a few hours. And I suggest you to monitor the frequently asked question before asking question, because you can find the reply directly here. But yeah, if you have any question or you run into any kind of issue, just open a ticket and our team will get back as soon as possible. We have a roadmap section because the development of the platform is run by our user. So this is where we post the features we are working on this week, and of course the planned features for the future. And of course we develop the most requested feature. So you just click on this upvote button here to vote a particular feature, and we're going to develop the feature with most votes. For example, probably next week we're going to work in WhatsApp requests because we see a lot of votes. If you see that the feature that you want are not present here, you can simply request a feature. So you click here, you request a feature, we receive it, and when we have a lot of people requesting the same feature, we move that feature to the planned column. And here you can monitor the change log. Every week we publish a new feature. We call it Climbo Friday Drop. So every Friday there are new things in the platform. So every Friday there is a new video with a new feature released and a description of what you find new into the platform. So to get updates about the new developed features, you can simply monitor this section, or you can subscribe to our free channels. So I strongly suggest you to join our free WhatsApp channel and activate notifications. So every Friday you receive a notification with the new features that we develop. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, where every week we post the new feature, or our social media channel. The Academy is a super important section for you because here you'll find all the extensive video tutorials that will help you to get a complete knowledge of how the platform works. We have videos about the clients mode, agency mode, how to sell it, how to connect Stripe and how the Stripe integration work, how to build no-code automation. If you want to, for example, automate review requests for your clients, you can use Zapier or any other no-code tools to do it through our APIs. And we also have some much longer training courses. These are playlists on YouTube. These are very detailed video about how Climbo works. And these two playlists are videos made by one of the top seller in the Climbo community, who is successfully selling the platform for hundreds of dollars per month to each client. So collecting tens of thousands of dollars in monthly recurring revenue simply by selling Climbo to local business owners in Australia. And this is a course that we made with him. So I suggest you to click on the course link and you'll get access to this playlist on YouTube. And I, of course, suggest you to watch all the videos to learn how to sell this platform. Wayne has an incredible experience in sales Of course, he spent all his career in sales, so he know all the secrets to sell softwares to small local business owners. He's getting amazing results with Climbo, and in this academy, he's teaching all his secrets. We also did some live sales trainings with Wayne. All of them are recorded. We're going to do a lot of them in the future, and you'll get notified as soon as we do a new training. And here you'll find all the past trainings. All right. Also, this is of course, YouTube playlist with hours and hours of videos where we interact with the community and we talk about marketing and sales. So here you'll learn everything related to how to sell review management to small local business owners. And finally, here you'll find an earn section where you can sign up for our affiliate program if you have friends who run agencies, or if you have a big network of marketers and agency owners. You can share your personal coupon code, and if one of your friends buys the Climbo premium plan using your coupon code, you get a 20% commission. And you also have the possibility to get free credits for your Climbo balance just by leaving us a review on Capterra, or just by recording a video review on YouTube. This is good for starting with some free credits. So for the first month, you do not pay nothing in SMS credits. It takes literally a few minutes, and you can start your first month of your Climbo business without paying anything in SMS credits. That's it for this video. Of course, I want to underline the fact that the website is very important for your SaaS business. We have a lot of successful climbers, and something that is in common to all of them is that they have a good website. And thanks to our templates, you can have your website ready literally in a few hours. But of course, dedicate the time that is needed to your website, because this is the starting point of your sales funnel. This is where your prospects will land to when they, for example, receive your reputation report, or when they see one of your ads, or when they receive a cold email from you, or when they find you online. The website is where they land when they will switch from being a prospect to being a lead, to being a free trial. And of course, then during the free trial, it's your goal to help them to get reviews so they subscribe to the paid plan. But of course, for all these sales strategies, I suggest you to watch our Academy videos.